Guys, welcome back to another video here on OMAH'S TV. If you're just joining us, you're at the right place for your bbnaija updates, lifestyle vlogs, other obonge entertainment to read. Please consider tapping on the subscribe button, turn on the post notification bell icon so you always get notified, okay? People, when Big Bella says her family members, her siblings are supportive, trust me, it's on 100. As they were seen today guiding Big Bella as she's trying to bag another ambassadorial deal. But before we dive right into this video, guys, we have a new bestie alert. Just as you can see on my screen, that's Angel and Chichi over there giving us the 6 months vibes. Like they were seen together at Angel's place today doing TikTok videos and just vibing together. Fans reacted to this saying Chichi is just trying to hold on to Angel as Fina has left her for Bella. What do you guys think about that? Do you think it's true? But honestly, Fina and Bella are now new besties. And don't forget, in the house, back then in the house, it was Fina and Chichi, because coupled with the fact that they knew each other before the show, that really made them get attached to each other while they were staying in the house. You can always see these two together in the house, but now she's moving over to Angel. So let me know what you think about that in the comment section. So the video of the day, guys, here on my screen you can see Bella's brother Chris Okabuwe. That's her elder sister Ugebe, who she always talks about in and out of the house. Like, she loves her sis so much. She always says her sis is so supportive to her. Her family at large, that they are very supportive. That's Chris Okabuwe over there, an actor, Bella's elder brother. And this is the sister. So many fans have reacted to this video saying, Omo, the sistership is on point. Not even after having 2 kids, like her tummy is still flat and she's this shapy. Some fans reacted to this saying Bella is also beautiful the way she is, that they know that when Big Sheggz gets her pregnant, when she finally takes in after marriage, that she's going to look this way, exactly this way. She's definitely going to add up. What do you guys think about that, Shella shippers? Let me know in the comment section, okay? Meanwhile, these people are just saying making money moves. I guess there's another ambassadorial deal by the corner, because this movement not past money movement. The way they were saying, they are always guiding their kids. Sis Bella, don't forget Bella is the last child of the Okabuwe family, so these two are always seen guarding Bella, trying to show her 1 or 2 things, and they just try to make sure she doesn't make mistakes, okay? So I know another hot deal is coming up very soon. Shella shippers, rebels and sheggz, get ready for your baby girl as she's giving it to us back to back. So guys, we've come to the end of this amazing video. Please, if you watched up to this point and you haven't tapped on the subscribe button, my knees they ground, please do that. It's absolutely free. Turn on your post notification bell icon, leave a comment and share if possible, okay? Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.